Print phase, direct-to-film heat transfers allow you to peel them either hot, warm, or cold. Any way you go, you want to first pre-press the garment for around 4 seconds to remove any wrinkles or moisture that may exist. If you're printing onto cotton or any type of blend, you want to be at 300 degrees at 40 psi for 10 to 12 seconds. If you're going on synthetic fabrics like 100% polyester, you want to be at 265 degrees, and you can even push it even lower, but you want to do some testing before you give it to your customer. It's as easy as placing the transfer on the garment, getting it lined up, lowering the platen, and again, 300 degrees, 40 psi, 10 to 12 seconds. And in this video, again, we're demonstrating how to cold peel. You can peel it hot, you can peel it warm, or cold. It's really up to you. You can leave it on the press before you peel it, or if you're gonna really do a cold peel, most of the time you take it off, let it sit for 10 to 30 seconds, or really several minutes, and then the transfer is completely cold, and you can simply peel it. It's really that easy. It's all about personal preference with print phase direct-to-film heat transfers. We give you the ability to peel whenever you want while not sacrificing any quality when it comes to the hand or colors like some of our direct-to-film transfer competitors. You always want to press the print a second time with craft, parchment, or some type of carrier just to give yourself some peace of mind and know that that transfer is properly cured on the shirt. If you have any questions about direct-to-film transfers, visit printphase.com.